Welcome students. In this video, we're going to look at the following integral. This might look a little difficult, but if you do it the way that I'm going to do it, it's going to become easier. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to split the integral. So it's equal to e log x times e to the minus 3. Remember, when the rules of logs of exponents is that if you multiply, you have to add the exponents. So I just separated the exponents. Then we take out e to the minus 3, and then now we're left with e to the log x inside. So e to the log x is just because we have this rule that this becomes x dx. So e to the log x, it becomes x. That's a rule. That's a definition. That's a rule. Okay, so now we can take the integral of x. So that's going to be equal to, this is equal to e to the minus 3 x squared over 2 plus c. Now with the final step is just to move the e to the minus 3 to the bottom. So that would be x squared over 2 e to the 3 plus c. That's all we needed to do for this problem. Thank you very much, students.